Well, there is your Moto3 world champion. And I'm gonna it's probably David, or maybe it's just David Alonso. I'm assuming it's David because he's Colombian. With 4 races to go, he becomes the first ever Colombian rider to win a title in the world championship. Which is, you gotta say, for him, probably pretty cool. This is the stepping stone. Moto3, you win a championship, or hopefully this is how it works. You move to Moto 2, you win a championship, you move up to the big boy MotoGP. Obviously, this could probably be a few years. It's not a 1, 2, 3 turn. It's, probably going to spend 2 or 3 years in Moto 2. Uh, we'll see about that. But, it's one of those things that, like, the racing is so much different. When you look at Moto 3, it's all about low power, small tires, a lot of drafting, very close racing. Moto 2, you get a little bit more of the separation, bigger bikes. Obviously, drafting is still important, but a little less of the chaos you see in Moto 3. And then you get to MotoGP, and it's just who's got the most power and electronics and downforce and everything else at this point. But, you gotta say it's pretty cool. You gotta say, if you win a world championship, it has to be one of the coolest things. That you've proved for that year you are either, well, one of the best and most consistent and fastest people doing what you do. It's got to be kind of cool. So hopefully, this continues for him, and we'll see where this goes. But comments down below. You guys tell me. Do you watch Moto 2, Moto 3? Do you watch MotoGP? Are you into any of the, like, I don't know, you want to call it these feeder series, whatever you want to call them? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.